Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel The Technical Thakur. This video is going to be very useful and interesting, so watch it completely till end. Well, we always wanted to access this PC quickly when we are on any other software. So we all would have think of pinning this PC to taskbar. But there is no such option to pin this PC to taskbar. Let me show you first. If I go to this PC icon and right click over here, you can't see any option to pin this PC to taskbar. Or if I go to search and search for this PC, over here also you can't see any such option to pin this PC to taskbar. So in this video, I am going to show you that how you can pin this PC on taskbar very easily in just 2 steps. So let's start with our step 1. Go to the desktop, right click over here and now go to new and then click on shortcut. So now to create the shortcut you have to give the location over here. For that, go to the description box below and copy this location from here and paste it over here and then click on next. Here you have to give a name, so you can write here this PC and then click on finish to create the shortcut. Let's test this shortcut, that is it opening our this PC or not. Let's click on this shortcut. Yes, it's working fine. But wait, our work is not yet completely done. So there comes our step 2. Now right click on the shortcut and go to properties. Over here you can see change icon, so click on that and here in the search bar type imageres.dll. You can get the name in description too. You can directly copy and paste from there. Now hit enter. Here you can see many icons listed over here, but we want this PC icon. For that, scroll from here and find the icon and then click on OK, and here click on apply and then on OK. So our original this PC shortcut is created, and then to pin it to taskbar, right click on this and then select pin to taskbar. So as soon as you click over here, you can see that our this PC is pinned on the taskbar and it is working properly. So that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, then please support my channel, like my video, subscribe to my channel, and if you are having any doubt, then comment me down. Thank you so much for your valuable time. Have a good day.